Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. This book is so cute. This is the Puppy Bus book. It's all about this kiddo who moves to a new area and he is not happy. He wants to be back home with his friends, with his school, with his home. And it's all about his transition, that he ends up going on the bus. So it starts off by saying, "Who's got 2 thumbs and is ready for the first day at a new school?" Not me. He gets on the bus and realizes, wait a second, there's only dogs on this bus. And he goes to school, and it's a puppy school. And all the classes are different. No one understands him. The principal's a dog. All of the students are dogs. The classes are weird. And then it kind of goes on. He eventually loves it. He's like, this is great. And it's just a fun, cute book. I think it's great to teach your little one that transitions are hard, but there's always beauty in something. So I really, really liked this book. My son loves it. He laughs at all of the little storylines in here. So I think your little one would love it too. And that's my point of view.